December 9th, 2020 review. Convert 8 quarts to pints. So here's what we're starting with, 8 quarts, just as we've been doing. We're going to have 8 quarts. You could put a lowercase q for quarts. Remember, we're going to put that over 1 because anything over 1 or divided by 1 is going to be itself, so it does not change the value. Now, we're trying to get from quarts to pints. So we're trying to get to pints, so I'm going to put a lowercase p, and we're trying to get rid of quarts, so I'm going to put a lowercase q. So let's look at quarts and pints. Quarts and pints. Ooh, 1 quart equals 2 pints. 1 quart equals 2 pints. All right, now we can in fact cross out our quarts because quarts divided by quarts equals 1, so it does not change the value. Now in our denominator, 1 times 1 equals 1. And 8 times 2, we know that, that's 16. We are also going to keep that p for pints, so it's going to be 16p. Or in our answer, we can put 16 pints. And that's it for the review. Great job.